With Pandey. Today in class 5P, we are conducting a prize distribution program. In monthly test, first monthly test of class 5D, we got two students got 20 upon 20, that is Gibson Bhatrai and Alex Chaudhary. And three students got 19.5. Two students got 19. Two students got 18.5 and 6 students got 18 out of 20. So I am going to give them all reward according to their position. So let's see what will happen. Now I am going to call first of the class, Mr. Alex Chaudhary and Gibson Bhatrai, who got 20 upon 20. Let's give a big hand. Now, who is monitor of this class?
Class monitor.
Yes. Let them go here. So. Yes. Nothing. Oh, no. No. Take it. One ink pen. This cost? I don't know. Yes. Which color do you like? Yes. If you don't like, then you can excel. Okay. Yes. Right. Thank you. Thank you, Anna. No, I didn't exchange the other one. Now, okay, now, in 20 out of 20 over 20, 19.5 years, Mr. Sanghars Bohra. Always forget it. Okay. Mr. Samarpan Kesi got 19.5. Give a big hand again. And one other Mega, yes? Mega 19.5 again. And other Sasa, yes? No, Jessica. Now, show me Jessica 19.5. 3 students got 19.5. So give them also big hand over here. Big hand. Click this photo. Yes, good. Go and show your mommy, okay? Go and show your parents. Yes. I become first, I become second, I got 9.5. So you have to show them also, you have to show your friend also. Yes. Now you are getting one pen, gentlemen, okay? Take it. Namaste. Very hello. Now 19. Yes? Who got 19? No one got 19. Yes. Now, who got 18.5? Yes, come. Two students got 18.5. One is Austin Kewali, and there is Sasa Thapa. Good. More we study, more expenditure I have to make it. Just there, they will point this out of your way. I am going to give them pencil with eraser.
Wait.
Take this. Good. Now, go you want to go there.
19.
Now, no 18. Out of 20, the one who scored 18. There are six students. 6 students got 18 marks out of 20. I want to reward them also, please. I don't know name, okay? Oh, just 6 person are coming, yes? 6 person only. I have counted all the number. Yes? Now, from this Aronson. Yes, good. Okay? Now this I am Hava. Good. How 21, 20. Depends on 21, 20. Good, you have to level hard again. Then Deves, you have to level hard again. 21, 20, you have to get 21, 20, okay? Sisa. Sorry, Sisa, you have to get good, you have to get 21, 20. Good. Now, where you? One eraser. Do that, please. One eraser, and one eraser. Okay, good. Lucky me. Someone tell me one. Only customer 1 million again.
I think you.